Why, is he still mad at us?
I am so mad at Jane because she broke my favorite pair of earrings.
I am not mad at you. I am mad at the situation.
I love her so much. I think I'm gonna wake her up.
Oh, no, Rach, no, you're never supposed to wake a sleeping baby.
The movie was supposed to earn a lot of money at the box office, but it didn't. What are we supposed to do in a situation like this?
Oh my God, I'm losing my mind.
You just spent all that money on a pair of shoes? Have you completely lost your mind?
Ross, I know you're pissed at me, but we have to talk about this.
I think I might start cycling to work in the morning. This traffic really pisses me off.
I think I pissed off Janet with my comment earlier.